Penguin and Tiny Shrimp. Don't do bedtime. This is not a bedtime book. We don't do bedtime. There is no room for toothbrushing and bath time in this book. Hit the road, ducky. And there is nothing about big, soft beds. No. Or cozy covers. No. Or super squishy pillows. Oh, squishy pillows. You won't catch us with sleepy sheep or wishing stars. Sayonara, sheep. This book has fireworks. Oh yeah, now we're talking. And running through the Serengeti. I've got my sneakers. Swinging from vines in the rainforest. Flying hot air balloons. Sailing through shark-infested waters. This book has songs. Shoo-ba-doo-wah moon, shoo-ba-doo awake. And jokes. What do you call a fish with two knees? A two-knee fish. This book even has a uni-hippo. One thing this book will never do is make you tired. We're here all night. This book will never make you yawn. So, not tired. See, my eyelids aren't heavy at all. You're just resting them. I promise this book will keep you awake. This book will see you in the morning. Gorillas go bananas. Look up and you'll see them high in the trees. Bright yellow bunches in ones, twos, and threes. Bananas, bananas! The jungle's insane. A delicious delight on every ape's brain. Baby, says Mama, come here, wash your feet. Daddy is home and he's brought you a treat. Then in swings his papa. He carries a plate. Now baby thinks, wow, this treat will be great. This sandwich is called the Elvis A. Presley. The chef who created it, Great Uncle Leslie. Like a PB&J, but we grill up the bread. And no jelly for us, it's bananas instead. That little gorilla pops out a pink tongue. He seems pretty picky for someone so young. But these apes have big plans for feeding their child. This meal is too boring. He needs something wild. Minutes soon vanish and recipes fly. Tons of new dishes for baby to try. Piping hot treats that smell quite tremendous. Top secret meals that taste simply stupendous. Dad brings a bowl of bananas au gratin, but baby refuses. His face is gone rotten. Banana chips served with green guacamole. Stacks upon stacks of plantain ravioli. They slice and they dice up their whole inventory, fixing a batch of bananas tandoori. A gentle souffle with a flaming flambe. Banana roll sushi, a side of tempeh. Baby won't eat. Mom and Dad start to worry. He turns down a bowl of banana Thai curry. Of course, Mama knows now why baby won't eat. These meals are too savory when they should be sweet. Bananas get cooked every which way but loose. Pancakes and strudel and squeezed into juice. A 17-layer banana bundt cake? Enough nana smoothies to fill up a lake. But baby sits silent. His mouth does not budge. He growls at the sight of banana nut fudge. I surrender, they say, and collapse onto the ground, where a spent pile of peels is all to be found. The kitchen is wrecked thanks to all of their stunts, and they still have no clue what it is baby wants. They've used every ingredient under the sun and every banana except for just one. Baby scoots over, he peels and he eats. He devours the treat with his hands and his feet. You have to be kidding! This is all that it took? We tried every trick that we knew in the book. We cooked and boiled and gathered and hunted. But a plain old banana is all baby wanted?
February Frenzy. Week 1 giveaway. Week 1 giveaway starts Sunday, February 4th, 2018 and runs until Thursday, February 8th, 2018 at 10 p.m. Eastern. This week's prize is a cool t-shirt with, of course, unicorns on it, a Shopkins The Ultimate Collector's Guide, which includes a really cool Shopkins poster, a Littlest Pet Shop The Ultimate Handbook Volume 4, which also includes bookmarks inside, a cool set of rainbow stickers, the Reading Unicorn door hanger, and a Reading Unicorn bookmark. Here's how to enter. Number 1, be subscribed. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Number 2, in the comment section below, add Enter Me to your daily comments. Each video from Sunday to Thursday that you add Enter Me to your daily comment counts as an entry. If you watch every video Sunday to Thursday this week and add Enter Me to the comment section daily, you would have 5 entries. Here are the rules. Only 1 Enter Me comment per day per video, please. And comments that are in spam will not count. Week 1 contest ends Thursday, February 8th, 2018 at 10 p.m. Eastern. The winner will be announced in Friday, February 9th's video. Good luck!
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram. See you next time.